I woke up this morning, I looked out, and it was horrible. I thought winter was just about over until this morning when I woke up. We got a lot more snow than I think they were expecting.
According to the National Weather Service and State College, total snow accumulation for Lancaster County ranged from 20 to 28 inches by Saturday afternoon. Winds from the northwest at 15 miles per hour caused snow drifts as high as 6 feet. PennDOT's senior highway maintenance manager said much of the county seemed to get about 20 inches of snow, but the southern end received well over 2 feet. An apartment attached to a house in the 1700 block of Water Street in Manor Township was damaged Saturday morning when a large tree that was weighted down by snow fell onto the structure.